right, here are Willa-Iroh's Welsh Terrier puppies. They're about a week and a half now. They were born 5/13. So at about 2 weeks, their eyes start opening up. But as you can see, they're much more active. They kind of are starting to kind of learn how to maneuver a bit. The bigger one here is the boy, and the littler one on the left here is the girl. They're so precious. They're just sniffing away at this point, like, and then all of a sudden their eyes will kind of start opening up. And their ears too, their ears aren't all the way open yet. It's just a fun age. A lot of exploration. They like to be touching each other all the time, piling up on each other. But they're really doing awesome. So congrats, the two of you, on your new babies. They really are awesome. I hope you have a wonderful week. Trying to get him. There we go. There, look at those babies. They're so cute. All right, everybody, have a great week.